Good evening. How are we doing today? How is everything? Um, this is God's mercy. Let's go explore the new social finance application project that is flying on around now, and how we can make money, how we can get position, and make the most out of this. You can see I put on my shoe and my bag and my helmet. I'm ready to explore. So let's go, guys. How you just need to do is just to register with my link. I'm going to drop it. Sorry for the noise. I'm outside, but I just have to quickly do this. So you have to register with my link. I'm going to drop it below this video, probably in the description or somewhere in the write-up or something. So once you successfully register, so one of the ways you can earn from Star Arena is that you can see the airdrop here. Look at the airdrop. The airdrop said user earn points by engaging with the platform and will be rewarded with airdrop points accumulate. You understand? So when you do all this that is mentioned here, you can see, let me show you actions to, you can see trade volume, referrals, ticket price, created trades, view on trades, interaction, and so those are the things you do that you'll be using to get points. Here is when you post, when you repost, when you engage with people post here. So you can see you will be getting points for the airdrop. It is upcoming. It is done now though. It is coming later in the future. So when you when you post here, make trades here and the likes of them like that on the app, once you successfully create your account, you can download the app and you log in, so you can easily navigate and exploit. So that's that for that, guys. And another way you can be making money at the moment till they announce the airdrop and likes of them like that is for you to is for you to buy people's tickets. And come, let me show you. It's for you to buy. Okay, you can see, let me show you. Look at this. The current price of my ticket, the ticket is just like shares. It is 0.06 hours for now, and I think that's below $1. That's below $1 at the moment. So immediately my account is growing, I recommend you to buy my shares. You understand? This is below $1. You understand? You can buy your Avax from any centralized exchanges, Binance, Bybit, and likes of them like that, and you send down to your, let me show you that, you send down to your account, your Star Arena account. You just click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, you click on copy. So once you click on copy here, you'll be able to copy your address, then you take it to any of the centralized exchanges that you want to send your Avax from to this place. So once you successfully send your Avax, then it will be showing here in your balance. It will be showing here in your balance. Are you getting it? Then you'll be able to what? You'll be able to buy people's ticket, which stands as shares. So immediately the account is growing, the ticket price will be, the share price will be growing, and as the share price is growing, then you can sell anytime you want to sell, anytime, any day you can sell it. You understand? So this my 0.06 shares now, the price might grow. If my account is growing, it might grow up to like 1 Avax, and 1 Avax is close to like $10. You buy something below $1 and it's now worth $10, like that. So you can buy as much, if you have the funds, you can buy as much as influencers shares who are just coming in. So as they grow, the shares will be growing, and you can sell at any point in time. So that's how you can make money for now. And if you are the type, bros, sorry for that. So if you are the type that does not have funds, if you are the type that does not have funds, you can just try as much as possible to invite people, let people register with your link. And once they register with your link, if they have funds, you can persuade them to buy your own shares. So once people buy your own shares as well, you understand, you can be making money same way. So you can be gathering points for their later airdrop. So that's that on how to make money from the fast growing social finance application, which is Star Arena, going on now. So guys, don't forget to follow me here. This is it, at Olade Steven 2. Go and give me a follow, or you click on the link to register. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.